Looking to improve indoor air quality and save on the utility bills? Getting your furnace serviced and cleaned before the cold weather hits is the best way to do it. For a limited time only and just $70, you can have your furnace thoroughly cleaned and serviced. All of our technicians are master licensed or trained directly under a master craftsman and will take the utmost care of you, your home, and your furnace. Stop wasting time and call today for your $70 Furnace Rejuvenation or request a service online at www.dhartplumbing.com.